Alright, so we're back at the job site today over in Laguna Niguel. We're gonna try to get some advancement in breaking up the pool. Like I said, unfortunately yesterday we got cut off a little bit short because one of the guys did flip over on the Bobcat, so we weren't able to start it up again. So we're gonna see how that is today, but we should be done breaking up the pool, taking out most of the concrete that's in the pool, so kind of clean that up, and then starting the demo on the outside as well. So because I know they wanted to get rid of some of the concrete they have in the backyard, so we'll probably start that as well today. So yeah, hopefully we don't run into any problems today. Hopefully no one flips over, and we just get the job done today. I mean, obviously it's not gonna get all done today, but maybe within the next day or so should be all said and done. But yeah, let's make it a good day. Looks like it's gonna be, it's already a little warm, so it should be a good day, a nice sunny day in Southern California. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the day. I know it's a different setting right now, but that's because the truck had some issues earlier this morning, so we had to go and take it to the dealership because we had just switched out the engine for the truck, and we think it might be a problem with the engine. So we do have warranty on it, so we took it in, and yeah, so we'll see how that is. Got a good amount of demo done today. A lot of filled up one of the trucks as well with a bunch of concrete. So man, the dog is anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys did like the video, go down, like, subscribe, hit those notification bells, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.